Yes, and so fire ni entremo e won finfin mantam ni mo na Cape Coast na yedre. Cape Coast akwakoye bia utumi kọ ho no nsrahwe yie pa isanse ni ama e wo ho no eye ni kan yie pa na wo konso a usua ade e di free mu. Na we ama homgye bia e wo ho no me kire hotels ahodo no wa wo hwe so ne sika wo gye no wotumi agye moho ne no na mrahwebedwani a ogine mu ma Cape Coast North abato mpeso aso onimnyamfo Dr. Kwamena Mintanya konde nano atomu bi oni nyina ne se won ebodwa a na wo keka won sase yetumi apesika kakra ni nyina wode beboa input dwuma onimnyamfo anu esiye na George Justice Arthur Cape Coast Mayor no so de nano atomu bi na ne krakra no Ora Michael Harry Yamson ono District Assembly Common Fund Administrator ono so can be a chato. Edwabo akoso ewo Cape Coast won finfin mantam no emu na se edwabo yi se mpanifo betumi aboabo sika no na mfin wo twe mpuntu nhyehyeye a won aya to ho no obetumi ede ahyemu kena edwabo ya se na mrahwebedwani ma de hye wo Cape Coast North abato mpeso aso onimnyamfo Dr. Kwamena Mintanya ede atu dwa se Cape Coast bia ya eho abie dada na eho nso na nsrahwe ekosu yie pa enenti se won peja ahomje bia ebo emu no ebepamo ahoho a won eba ho no mo ensrahwe na se wo ba behwe wani so ade enenti won bo modin a na won twe won ho enfemfiri sa suban no emu.
I think we need to have a meeting with our hotels. Pricing of hotels so Cape Coast no are very expensive and a lot of them do not really want to come and stay here. In Toba, we rather take the money back. Hotels. How many of the Islamic or indigenous food are on Cape Coast? It's almost more fried rice, jollof rice, assorted rice, and a buffet. And at one time, we know that we see with the but we don't have our own indigenous meals. We need to encourage it. More with the tourism. During our last meeting with the president, Obaahemaa said every region, the capital is going to get a landing site for planes. So that is also going to boost our place here in Cape Coast. I will be a plane to Wonderland. I think it's a good thing.
Mrahwebedwani anu esi ya na onimnyamfo George Justice Arthur ono eni Cape Coast Mayor ono nso kan bi eto so.
The 8-year development plan behind there, they declare some areas as industrial hub in Futu and 8 enclaves. Yes, so they establish airport and our airstrip. So, Obaahemaa investors in Hong Kong. We are expecting that within the next 8 years, factories, industries, or airstrip, businesses, is maybe or attracting or Zimbabwe city. Okay, for example, me a tourist in Amaba. Now, Mabeno hotel local they charge about 2,000. Mukono loan do the mother. It's a new hotel here in Bakasa. Now I'm a bonako to attract people into the metropolis.
Ena ne krakra mono Ora Michael Harry Yamson ono ene District Assembly Common Fund Administrator ono so can be a chatwo.
8-year development plan no yazo yipa. Emi question na bibi sanyi there. You might hit not beba kronumu. Sande yesi project na se ejuma nkwe mpichira ya siska. Yesi project na se assembly no we nya ho mfaso we nya ho taxes we ya siska. Yesi project no businesses amba obenya profits ya siska. Inti inyede ma common family yankotin na ohia ono de ye ya hwehwe ska yesi school down yesi hospital yesi public toilet onye imbe ye ya aboa ma asisina no imwa ye mro kakra ma he nemu ye wiona no de ye pekwana oma no so ni sikasam be peja na local government so wetin wenyi sana wa badwuma nti hono na ya ye community partners fund mesre wa man won charge nichi won charge nichi pekete nichi sando wa dwum papa ma he